So welcome aspiring home cooks to my cooking channel. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe now and click the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any exclusive recipes. For today, home cooks, I want to give you an announcement. God has given me a unique and one-of-a-kind blessing, having the Chinese cuisine certificate under in a famous culinary university, the Enderun College. And today, I want to show you that yes, you may have been cooking with Chinese cuisine in China or been with Chinese chefs a lot of times or in the restaurant or maybe in your Chinatown. Yes, you may, but it is different when you have your own reward to show an evidence of your mastery, skills, talents, and your success. So God has blessed me with this. I was overwhelmed with joy, blessings, and happiness because I really want to have a Chinese cuisine certificate. You don't really have this. Even you ask your Chinese friends, they'll say it's really rare to find or limited to have this Chinese cuisine certificate. They may teach you, but you won't have that kind of reward or certain profession. So for today, I want to show you a dish that I made my own and God has blessed me a lot. So this dish was inspired from the original one, the Salt and Pepper Squid, but what I am cooking for today is the Salt and Pepper Seafood Platter. Yes, it looks and tastes amazing because I have put a little bit of twist to make it more flavorful, to make it more umami and savory, and you would have different kinds of seafood protein, not only just one. And when it comes together, it is very delicious, very unique, and as I said, one of a kind. So if you are excited to cook, let's do this right now. Here are the ingredients to make the Salt and Pepper Seafood Platter, and for the full recipe is located in the description down below. The first step is to gather all the ingredients for the seafood marination. The following are your seafood of choice, salt and pepper, custard powder, and sesame oil. Next is to prepare a large bowl to add the wet and dry ingredients. The seafood will go last. The first step is to add the custard powder. This helps the marination stick onto the seafood or any meat. Next, add black pepper for seasoning and flavor. Next, add salt. Use a whisk to mix well all the ingredients. Add sesame oil for flavor. Last, add Shaoxing wine for a depth of umami and flavor. Mix them all together, aspiring home cooks. This is the result I want you to have, a thick consistency, and the smell is sweet and aromatic. Next is to add your seafood of choice into the marination. Combine everything until the seafood is well coated with the marinade. Place this in the fridge for 4 hours or overnight so that the seafood will absorb the flavor. While waiting, let's make the dipping sauce. We need fish sauce, vinegar, lime juice, lime zest, green chilies, spring onions, and brown sugar. The first step, add vinegar and fish sauce. Next is lime juice. Add brown sugar. Mix until the sugar is well dissolved. Next, add spring onions for garnish and flavor. Add green chilies. This is optional. Add lime zest. This is optional. Mix until the ingredients are well combined. Here is your dipping sauce. Delicioso! Here is the seafood that we marinated it for 4 hours. So let's start breading it with potato starch. Place the seafood in the potato starch mixture and coat it until it's well breaded. After breading them, place them in a clean plate and let's fry it right now. Make sure that the oil is hot so that we can properly cook the breaded mixture and the seafood. Cook this for 10 to 15 minutes, but if your seafood is larger and thicker, cook it for 5 to 10 minutes longer. After cooking it, place them on a clean plate and let's prepare the ingredients for stir frying. So let's do this right now, home cooks. The following ingredients are red bell pepper, spring onions, garlic, salt and black pepper, black sesame seeds, green chilies, Szechuan peppercorn, and last is garlic oil. First step is to heat up the pan in a medium-low heat. Add garlic oil for flavor. Next, add spring onions. The garlic will go last because it can burn easily. Add red Szechuan peppercorns. This is optional, but it gives you a hint of spice, flavor, and aroma. Add red bell pepper. We are doing this because we want to add flavor in the dish. Cook this for 5 minutes until you smell it very aromatic and flavorful. Lower the heat and add the garlic. Saute the garlic for 5 minutes or until it's slightly golden brown. After that, add the seafood. Mix everything until it is well combined or pan flip it for 4 times. Add a pinch of salt for saltiness. Add black pepper for that peppery flavor. Add white or black sesame seeds. Then, aspiring home cooks, mix them all together until well combined. I present to you my salt and pepper seafood platter, and we know what aspiring home cooks love to do is turning up the music.